Apple CEO Tim Cook visits victims of last week's Apple Store crash.
Did you see?
I didn't actually hear about this at all. Apple CEO Tim visited the greater Boston area. SUV crashed through the front of the store, injuring multiple people and killing one. You got it. Where's the barriers?
Yeah, a lot of people criticize this Apple Store, or all Apple stores that's near a street, because there's no barriers. It's just glass.
I mean, in this case, they could actually have the barriers further out by the where the plants are there. You could have those posts, you would normally have. Now, granted, I don't know I'm just looking at a little picture here, and I'm sure, obviously the store was there for an extended period of time, and this didn't happen, but it's one of those situations, it only takes one. And that's what you got here. Very sad story, actually. Apple Derby Street in Boston suburb. Struck by a vehicle Monday morning. A report claimed that multiple people were injured. Yeah, and then somebody was killed. 11 a.m. local time, black SUV crashed through at a high rate of speed, ended up at the back wall of the store.
Yeah.
Shocking stuff. So did we get a statement then from Apple? We are devastated by the shocking events at Apple Derby Street store today. Tragic loss of a professional who was on site supporting recent construction at the store. Our hearts go out to the team members and customers who were injured and all those who were affected. So Tim gets involved? Will he heads over there, or what does he do? Oh, man. Grateful. Tim Cook and Deidre O'Brien from Apple able to come to the South Shore Hospital on Friday to visit with the patients who were injured during the tragedy. The genuine caring and kindness shown by Tim and his team on the visit did so much to lift the spirits of the patients and our colleagues. You know what? Good for him, man.
Yeah.
Hop on a plane. That's tough. It's right in his, it's his people, his company, it's a way you show some support and solidarity and whatever, but it's obviously, it's one of those ones you read from the outside and you're like, well, it's a freak accident. But then to those affected, it's a life-changing situation. Yes. And you show up as Tim Cook and I don't know, maybe you soften it in a minute way, but it's impossible to fix, obviously. Yeah. Crazy.